We are making homemade flour tortillas so I can make the ultimate chicken Caesar wrap. I get that viral chicken Caesar wrap from Vinny's Cafe on my feed at least twice a day. And there's no place in Austin that sells a wrap that looks that good. So I'm really left with no choice but to try to make it at home. And tortillas are actually really easy to make. You only need 5 ingredients. And if you make it at home, you can customize the flavors. I'm making 2 flavors. I'm doing spinach for the green color, and then I'm just gonna do a plain one too. Melted unsalted butter, 300 grams all-purpose flour, a little bit of salt, going in with some baking powder so it's flaky. And that's it. Now we can knead it. So I'm just gonna use my hands. Tortillas, you don't have to knead it very long. You just want it to be kind of smooth. I take that back. This took me a while. I accidentally put too much water in the plain one. I thought I'd be fine, but that made it take an eternity longer. This is what the dough looks like. I'm gonna cover these and let these rest for around 15 minutes. And then we're gonna form our little balls. Huzzah, it's done. They're each gonna be around 150 grams. I've already failed twice trying to transfer my tortilla to the pan. This time I'm gonna try to roll it over the pin and then let it go onto the pan. Seamless transfer. I cooked some chicken and bacon. I have my tortillas here. I washed some lettuce. I have cheese, my dressing, and croutons. So, chicken and bacon. Croutons. Some dressing. And I think the hack is to use a pizza cutter. I see them like chop it down into tiny, tiny pieces. I also saw that they crush in some chips. Looking at how much filling I have, I honestly don't have faith in my tortilla. So I'm just going to double wrap it and hope for the best. No, we got this. Ooh. I honestly think it could fit in one. I'm gonna try this again. Hold in the edge. It held up together. Okay, now for the grand reveal. Ooh, look at that.
Oh, good.